Adafruit's HalloWing, a play on Halloween, M0 Express board is a skull-shaped AT-SAMD21 board with a ton of extras built in to make for an attractive wearable, badge, development kit, or the engine of your next costume or prop. On the board's front side is a 1.44-inch sized 128 by 128 full-color TFT display. The 4 fang teeth below the display are the analog and capacitive touch inputs with large alligator clip holes. This board comes with Adafruit's default example code that has a spooky eye demo running in glorious color. In technical terms, this board is a tricked out Feather M0 Express with rearranged pins. Also, it has both Arduino and CircuitPython build support, so you can pick your favorite development language.